How's it going, everyone? I hope you're all doing really well. So we're obviously here for D-Day Take 2 for Mullen Automotive. Now where I live, it's actually already the end of Monday's trading day, so I'm coming from the future. However, that future has no insights whatsoever as to how this meeting today is going to go down. I spoke about this a little bit before. There's kind of sort of three sort of pathways that the stock can kind of tread from here. Obviously, 9:30, what happens possibly is that we go to the meeting and it's announced that yes, Mullen board managed to get enough votes to enact a reverse stock split. Now, obviously, that's a big thing that the retail scene isn't keen on. And to be honest, if that's what is decided upon, I wouldn't be surprised if we start to see the shorts again to start piling back into the stock, and then we start seeing more downward pressure on the stock due to the inevitable reverse stock split that's going to happen. Now, there's still a bit of a flux period because there's still got to be about 2 or 3 sessions to navigate before that reverse stock split is probably enacted. It's probably not going to get put in place until Wednesday, I'd say, just so it's like has to only make 20 consecutive days. It doesn't have to do 21 days. That's what I think is going to happen. So it won't be enacted straight away. They also have to file the paperwork to do so. That's if we get the reverse stock split. And obviously that's going to be something that basically the retail scene doesn't want, but the shorts probably licking their lips thinking, yes, this could be good. And especially if it's a big reverse stock split. But then again, if it is a big reverse stock split, the shorts might be a bit hesitant to get back in, as there would be questions around liquidity in terms of trying to buy back a position. It becomes a little bit more difficult. I wouldn't be surprised if the days to cover starts to pick up a bit if we do have a reverse stock split. So that's scenario 1. Scenario 2 is they don't get the votes and there is no reverse stock split, and then we kind of wade through the next few days and see if there's any sort of company news or anything that comes out that might be able to spur the stock on or do something to help it get to $1 organically. Now, there is a bit of a theory out there. I saw that that if the reverse stock split is not approved, there is the chance that there might be a little bit of a rally in the stock. I'm not totally convinced on that theory, to be honest. Like, reverse stock split or not, it was like in between a rock and a hard place, the stock. But stranger things have happened. I'm not expecting to see a rally either way from the results of what comes from this meeting. I'm expecting a bit of a sell-off, but I will be pleasantly surprised if there is a bit of a bounce. The question is, can it bounce enough to get the stock back above $1? I am quite doubtful. But scenario 3 is that there might be something comes out from the company or maybe externally, which could be some sort of catalyst to boost the stock. And we spoke about this before about, this was like me referencing the Business Dad channel, that, if there is some talk about, the board and David Mitri getting back in and buying stocks and, showing that they really do believe in the company by putting their money where their mouth is, that might actually buoy the stock a little bit on and, encourage a bit more buying action to push it up. So, that's something there. And there's also the chance that something external might come about. I speculate about this. I don't have that much credence in it, but if someone wanted to do a takeover of Mullen right now, just for its assets alone, the pickings are very fruitful at the moment. You could get it's easy pickings. It's like it's severely undervalued as in terms of asset value to share price. So that's possible thing that could come out of this, but I don't think any one looking to do a takeover will do it in these next few days anyway. But yeah, anyway, so it's interesting. I know we're all holding our breath. If once you know anything that's happening about the stock or you got your theories about what's going on, drop them in the comments below. It's going to be a very interesting day and the start of a very intriguing week. We thought we'd have the answers to this question on Friday, but it's been kicked down to today, and a lot of Mullen shareholders have spent the weekend umming and ahhing about what is going to play out here. Cool. Anyway, so share your opinions in the comments below. Always love to hear from you guys, and hopefully we get the resolution that everyone's hoping for here, but we'll have to wait and see. Till next time, everyone, may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.